Hey, what's up, guys? Rusty Watson here, drummer for Devil's Cut. We are an in-your-face honky-tonk band, which is basically honky-tonk music, and it's rocked out a bit. So, got 3 awards. Woohoo! Going well. Anyhow, been playing drums now for roughly about 30 years. Nothing technical about me. I don't have a whole bunch of fancy rudiments or solid double bass or anything like that, but I hit hard and I flail about, so works out. Anyhow, I want to let you guys know why I choose Collision as a stick of choice for me. I've tried about every brand on the market, from Vader, Vic Firth, ProMark. They're all good brands. However, for my preference, I like Collision. And the one that I like the most is the 5AR, which is extended reach, and is helpful to me because I have carpal tunnel in both hands, and when my hands start going numb, it gives me a little bit extra reach when they start sliding. And that, on top of a little baseball trick, some pine tar on there to help me hold my grip. But so yeah, I love Collision. I ordered a brick several months ago, and in that time I've broken 2 sticks, which is extraordinary considering most rehearsals I break 2 to 3 per rehearsal. So anyhow, I'm really digging them. Got turned on to them by a buddy named Cecil, and he's endorsed by them, and really try to use these exclusively. I know that they hold up. I like the feel, and I just dig the brand. So anyhow, but what I'm going to play for you is a new tune that we're working on by Craig Campbell called Johnny's Cash. So there you go.
Johnny's mama never told him who his papa was. All she said was, he's long gone, now it's just the 2 of us. One day the telephone rang around about supper time. It was his daddy's lawyer on the other line. Yeah. Johnny's daddy was a wealthy Tulsa millionaire. But when he died, he left behind everything to just one air. Airplanes and limousines, it all happened so fast, turning daddy's money into Johnny's cash. The riches from an old fortune country deal, from a trailer park in Georgia to a house up in the hills. Living like he did, Lord, he never knew what he wouldn't have. Now the daddy's money, Johnny's cash. Now Johnny can't believe all the new friends he has. Since he stopped bumming beers and started picking up the tab, they'll sing a song and tag along as long as it will last. Cause it ain't their money, it's Johnny's cash. The riches from an old fortune country deal, from a trailer park in Georgia to a house up in the hills. Living like he did, Lord, he never knew what he didn't have. Now the daddy's money, Johnny's cash. Yeah, he said, I could get you to this with his colored girlfriend. Gave him a daddy's money. Yeah, daddy's money. Johnny's cash. Oh, it's all Johnny's cash. Don't spend it all in one place. Johnny's mama never told him who his